In this video, I'm going to show you how to change age in Brawl Stars. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Brawl Stars on your device. Now, in here, go ahead and sign in to your Brawl Stars account using your email that you've used for your Supercell ID. So in here, just go ahead and enter your email and log into your account. Now, in this section, you'll need to enter the verification code that was sent by Supercell ID to your email account to confirm that you are trying to access your account on the application. Now, once you have this verification code, you can just go ahead and load your progress on the application by clicking on the load button. And this will allow you to restart the application on your device and load the progress that you have on Brawl Stars on your device using your Supercell ID account. Now, once you're signed into your account, go ahead and hit on the top right corner of your screen to be able to find the settings section. Click on settings and click on help and support. Now, this will take you into the section. So in here, go ahead and click on account. And after that, go ahead and click on the chat icon at the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the live chat section of Supercell ID. So in this section, you just need to provide all of the information that you have on Supercell ID and the concern that you have for your account, such as changing your age for your account. You'll need to elaborate your request in this section, and once the live chat agent has received your information and your request, you'll be able to find the changes of your age on your account immediately. And that is how you can simply change age in Brawl Stars.